Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the most handsome Korean actor, Lee Dong-wook. Lee Dong-wook is a South Korean actor known for his roles in popular dramas like Goblin and Touch Your Heart. He has a charismatic and versatile acting style that has won his many fans. Besides acting, he has also hosted several variety shows and participated in various philanthropic activities. He definitely one of the most talented actors in the industry. In addition to his acting skill, Lee Dong-wook is also known for his good looks and charming personality. He has a strong presence on social media, where he often shares updates and interests with his fans. He has received numerous awards for his performance, including the Best Actor Award at the Baeksang Arts Award. Lee Dong-wook continues to captivate audience with his talent and charm, and I am sure we can expect more great things from him in the future. Lee Dong-wook was recently announced as the cover star for the digital issue of W Korea's September installment, where he collaborates with the Swiss watch brand Tissot. The K-drama star will be featured in 3 different moving covers, alongside a stunning pictorial where he rocks several different ensembles. A tale of the nine-tailed actor supported the luxurious watch brand PRX Powermatic 80 timepiece in different colorways, showcasing the same in a retro setting. The Korean actor has been a long-time ambassador for the watch brand, with their collaboration often resulting in the gorgeous pictorials and fashion films. Fans' excitement that Lee Dong-wook looked luxurious on the magazine cover, perfectly capturing the retro theme with his fashion choices. Along with that, they also celebrated the return of his original hair color, as the K-drama star rocked a light brown shade for his latest project, Tale of the Nine-Tailed 1938. The Guardian, The Lonely and Great God star sported several different outfits throughout the cover shoot, going for a chic biker boy aesthetic. However, his beauty choices pulled the entire look together, with his hairstyle playing a major role in achieving the retro aesthetic. Although his leather jacket and all denim looks were fitting for the biker boy aesthetic, his beauty choices were the perfect finishing touch to pull the overall look together. The Tissot timepieces were the central focus throughout the pictorial, as the K-drama star's police kept the watch in the spotlight. Lee Dong-wook rocked dapper, brushed back hairstyle that was perfect for the retro theme he was going for. He went with a chic wet look, which one can easily recreate with some hair gel. Addition of the soft wave throughout his hair gave his hairdo immense volume, which added a retro feel to his hairstyle. Lee Dong-wook kept his makeup look quite minimal, going for a beautiful dew base that added a healthy glow to his skin. For his lip makeup look, he went with an under natural lip gloss shade, which made them look plumper and more youthful without landing his lips on intense dose of color. The Bad and Crazy star opted for next to no eye makeup, simply dusting a light brown eyeshadow shade around his lash lines to provide some depth to his eyes, as his makeup look was understated and minimal. It allowed his hairstyle to be star of the show, which was a key element was it came to the retro look. Thanks soon our Lee Dong-wook's stunning visuals for the amazing cover, joking about him being a visual strike, as the entire photoshoot was shot in a bowling alley. Several netizens loved the duality the actor provided with the photoshoot, as he known to have a shy and sweet personality but sports an intense aura for the cover portrayal. Lee Dong-wook's latest K-drama, Tale of the Nine-Tailed 1938, was a massive success, and fans can't wait to see what the actor has in store for them. He has yet to announce the next project he is working on, but his amazing acting skill, The Guardian, The Lonely and Great God, and Your Heart are proof fandom that one can look forward to his future projects. Lee Dong-wook has a wide range of acting roles under his belt, showcasing his versatility as an actor. From intense and brooding character to romantic leads, he has proven his ability to portray a variety of emotion on screen. He has also ventured into the film industry, starring in movies like The Beauty Inside and Along with the Gods. The two words of screen, Lee Dong-wook is also known for his down-to-earth and humble nature, making him even more beloved by a fan. He is definitely someone to keep an eye on in the entertainment industry. Lee Dong-wook is often described as kind-hearted, considerate, and respectful. He has a reputation for being a gentleman and treating everyone with kindness and respect, both on and off screen. He is known to be a good listener and is always attentive to the needs and feelings for those around him. Lee Dong-wook is also known for his dedicated and professionalism, always giving his best in every project he takes on. His positive attitude and genuine personality have made him a beloved figure in the entertainment industry. Lee Dong-wook is known for his warm, friendly personality. He has a great sense of humor and often shows playful side during interviews and variety shows. He is also known to be a very caring toward his fans, always taking the time to interact with them and express his gratitude for their support. Despite his fame, he remains humble and down to earth, which has endeared him to many. Lee Dong-wook is truly a talented actor with a heartwarming personality.
At the end, I hope you like my video. For more videos, click the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.